Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered if we are alone in the universe? Recently, scientists at Harvard University started thinking about this question in a new way. They wondered if alien life might be closer than we think. What if it's right here on Earth? This idea might seem strange at first, but these scientists are exploring a different possibility. Could there be life forms hiding in unexplored places on Earth? The scientists at Harvard are taking this idea seriously. Their research is based on reports of strange objects in the sky called UAPs. Could these objects be evidence of alien technology? It's a question that has sparked a lot of debate. For years, people around the world have reported seeing strange objects in the sky. These objects, often called UFOs, unidentified flying objects, have been described as having unusual shapes, moving at incredible speeds, and performing maneuvers that seem impossible for any known aircraft. While many UFO sightings can be explained as weather phenomena, airplanes, or hoaxes, some cases remain unexplained. These unexplained sightings are what we now call UAPs, or unidentified anomalous phenomena. The term UAP is now used by scientists and government agencies to describe any aerial observation that cannot be immediately identified. Some UAP sightings have been particularly intriguing, with multiple witnesses, including pilots and radar operators, reporting the same unusual activity. These reports often describe objects moving at hypersonic speeds, changing direction rapidly, and even disappearing and reappearing in different locations. These strange events have led some scientists to consider the possibility that we are witnessing technology far beyond our own. Could these UAPs be alien spacecraft visiting our planet, or are they something else entirely, perhaps a phenomenon we don't yet understand? The mystery surrounding UAPs continues to fuel our curiosity about what might be out there. When it comes to explaining UAPs, there are a few main ideas. The first, and perhaps the most straightforward, is that these strange objects are simply human-made. They could be experimental aircraft, drones, or even weather balloons that are mistaken for something more exotic. Another possibility is that UAPs are indeed extraterrestrial, meaning they come from other planets or star systems. This idea is exciting as it suggests that we are not alone in the universe and that other intelligent civilizations might exist. Maybe these civilizations have developed technology far beyond ours, allowing them to travel through space and visit our planet. However, there's a third, more unusual possibility. What if these UAPs are not from outer space, but from Earth itself? This is where the idea of unconventional terrestrial explanations comes in. This theory suggests that there might be hidden life forms right here on Earth that are more technologically advanced than we are. Section 4. Hidden neighbors and time travelers. The idea of hidden advanced life forms on Earth might sound like science fiction, but some scientists consider this possibility. They call these beings cryptoterrestrials. One theory is that an ancient advanced civilization existed long ago, perhaps before humans. This civilization could have developed advanced technology but then went into hiding. Another theory suggests a non-human intelligent species evolved alongside humans, developing their own advanced technology in secret. Imagine a hidden underwater civilization or a secret community living deep underground. Some speculate these crypto-terrestrials could be time travelers from our future, coming back to observe us. While this idea might seem far-fetched, it's a fascinating thought experiment. Of course, these theories are highly speculative. There's no concrete evidence to prove cryptoterrestrials exist, but their possibility, however remote, is intriguing and leads us to question what we truly know about our planet and its history. Section 5. Keeping an open mind about the universe. While the idea of aliens living among us or hidden civilizations on Earth is exciting, it's essential to approach these topics with a healthy dose of skepticism. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Just because we can't immediately explain something doesn't mean it must be aliens or secret societies. Many scientists believe that there are more likely explanations for UAPs, such as atmospheric phenomena, advanced military technology, or even hoaxes. It's essential to investigate these possibilities thoroughly before jumping to conclusions. However, keeping an open mind is also important. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. What we know about the cosmos is constantly evolving as we make new discoveries. It's possible that there are phenomena we haven't even begun to imagine. While we continue to search for answers, we must approach the unknown with both curiosity and a healthy dose of skepticism. The search for extraterrestrial life and the exploration of unexplained phenomena remind us of the wonders of the universe and inspire us to keep asking questions.